7 days ago, I had 0 followers, 0 content, and 0 income from AI. Today, I'm going to show you everything I built, every tool I used, every mistake I made, and exactly how much money came in. This is not a highlight reel. This is the raw truth because you deserve to see what this actually looks like. Welcome to StackEarnAI. Here's the challenge I set for myself. Build a complete AI-powered income system in exactly 7 days using only tools available to anyone watching this video right now. No special connections, no existing audience, no big budget. Just AI, strategy, and 7 days. Let's go day by day. Day 1. Picking the niche and setting up the system. This is where most people waste weeks. Overthinking, second-guessing, doing nothing. I spent exactly 2 hours on this. I went to TubeBuddy, searched for high RPM topics in the AI and make money online space, found 3 angles nobody was doing well, and picked one. Done. Then I set up my YouTube channel, my Canva account for thumbnails, and my ChatGPT workspace. 2 hours total. That's it. Day 1 complete. Days 2 and 3. Content creation. I used ChatGPT to generate 5 full video scripts. Each one took about 8 minutes to refine. Then I fed each script into ElevenLabs and got professional voiceovers back in under 2 minutes per video. Then, InVideo assembled the footage automatically. By the end of day 3, I had 5 complete videos ready to upload. 5 videos in 2 days. Something that would have taken a production team 2 weeks, done in 48 hours. And the quality? Genuinely impressive. I'll show you the exact prompts I used in a second. Days 4 and 5. Thumbnails and SEO. This is the part everyone skips, and then wonders why nobody watches their videos. Your thumbnail is your billboard. If it doesn't stop the scroll in half a second, the video is dead, no matter how good it is. I used Canva with a simple formula. Bold number or claim on the left. High contrast image on the right. 3 words, max. Then for SEO, I used TubeBuddy to find the exact keywords people were searching for in my niche. I put those keywords in the title, the description, and the first line of every video. This is what tells YouTube's algorithm what your video is about and who to show it to. Day 6. Setting up the money. Here's something most beginner channels get completely wrong. They wait until they're monetized to think about making money. That is a massive mistake. I added affiliate links to every single video description on day 1. ElevenLabs, InVideo, ChatGPT, Canva, every tool I was using had an affiliate program. So every time someone watches my video and signs up for one of those tools, I get paid a commission. Before a single ad dollar came in, before I hit 1,000 subscribers. Day 1 affiliate income is real, and most people leave it on the table completely. Day 7, I set up the Zapier automation so the whole system runs itself going forward. And then I looked at the numbers. In 7 days, 5 videos published, 2 shorts going mini viral, 340 new subscribers, and $47 in affiliate commissions from people clicking the links in my descriptions. Now, $47 doesn't sound like much, but that's $47 from a 7-day-old channel with no existing audience and no ad spend. And here's the thing, those videos keep working. Every single day after day 7, those videos are still being watched, still ranking, still sending people to those affiliate links. That $47 becomes $200 next month, then $500, then it compounds. That's the whole point of building a system instead of just posting content. In the next video, I'm breaking down the exact ChatGPT prompts I used to write all 5 scripts in under an hour. And I'm giving them to you for free. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And drop a comment below telling me what's the #1 thing stopping you from starting